Okay guys, I got the air system off. Have almost all the vacuum lines disconnected now. I've took my heater hose off that are located here. I took them off and laid them out of the way because they'll be in the way when I get to that manifold. Also, I will take the alternator off that's right here. You'll have 6 or 7 boats that are located on this intake from the bottom side right here that you'll need to take off all the way across to remove this top part of the intake. The EGR valve, which is located right here, also needs to be disconnected, but my nut on this one is seized up. I cannot disconnect it, so I remove the bolts coming out of this aluminum intake. You have to be careful, don't bust this aluminum, so I chose to take those out, and maybe I can get that EGR valve off later and put it in a vise. Also, there's a bolt on the bottom side, if you can see it right here. It's been removed, this right here. You'll need to take that bolt off to remove that intake. Just remember to leave that bolt in place while you're trying to remove the EGR valve.